Oh, this background is fake. Like as you can see, and this other one, it's fake. So I bring to you today's video. Today's video are for people who are trying to create content online, people who are feeling ashamed of what they have and they want something very pleasant for their audience. They want, like, you know what I'm talking about. Packaging is everything. So this content is for people of that categories and people who want to start up a YouTube channel, who wants to grow a YouTube channel and don't know how to go about it because of their background, because they have poor background. And you know, background is everything. So, this video today is for people of that categories. If you are part of that categories, I think you should pause and please, before I continue, if you're new here, you are welcome. Please try subscribe to this channel because I am going to bring to you valuable content like this that will be suitable for people who wants to create content online. And not just that, this channel is all about career, personal development, lifestyle, and we are going to be bringing to you some DIY that is going to help content creators to start up their content game. So let's dive into today's video. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this background, fake background. You all hear that? It is fake. So I am going to show you how to create this fake background. I will take you step by step on how to create this background. So if you're interested, please, you definitely. The number one thing I am going to be sharing with you today is you need a tripod. In order for you to get this fake background you're seeing here, you need a stability, and that is you need a tripod. If you want me to create a video of a DIY tripod that you can use to hold your phone, please leave that on the comment section, because I know there are a lot of content creators that does not have tripod, and I feel they will want to see this. I am currently filming with my DIY tripod, and you can see this video is actually very stable. So if you want this DIY tripod, you are looking to start up a content, please drop it on the comment section and tell me I need a DIY tripod. I am going to put that content out there for you. And the second thing on my list today is you need lightning. Wow, natural lighting is always the best. But now I am filming this video in the night, and this is about, like, should I say 8 o'clock in the night, 8 p.m. So I'm currently filming this video in the night, and what I am using right now is my DIY lightning setup. And if you want to see that DIY lightning setup, you should drop that on the comments below. I am going to share that with you also in my next video if you are interested. So that is the two important things you need to achieve this video. So I am going to bring to you just two apps. Two apps. What did I say? I said two apps. Two apps to create this particular fake background that we all are waiting for. And that is the Nerd AI. I am going to put that on the comments below also. You can go to my comment to see that website, that app. And again, I'm going to bring to you another app, and which is CapCut. So keep watching, because I am definitely going to do a voice note of this, because I'm going to show you my step by step on how I create this fake background.
First up, I go to my Chrome, I typed Leonardo.AI, and this is what is going to bring up to me. I already signed up to Leonardo.AI, so I'm just going to go to my Google and get into my account, and that is it. It's opening. So the moment it opens up, I'm going to type a prompt. I'm going to type a prompt on the kind of background I want, a realistic background. So I am typing the prompt and it's generating. You can see that it's generating more. I'm still generating more because I want more of that background, and I'm going to click and hold to save. So by the time I'm done saving, I will head to my Canva and edit. First up, I'm going to click the thumbnail and it's open up, and this is how it's going to look like. Now that it has opened up, now it's going to take me to my upload because I want to upload those background I downloaded. So I will go on and click my upload. So I'm still searching where my upload is, and this is it. So I'm going to click upload file and it will take me. So I'm going to click photo library to click those backgrounds. So I'll click them and upload them. So it's loading. By the time I'm done uploading them all at once, I'll pick the one I want to work with first. So, and this is the one I want to work with first. So I will just drag it to fit that particular thumbnail size. So I am dragging to fit the size because the background is a portrait. I want it to look like a portrait background because my video is actually a portrait video. So that is why I'm dragging so much. So I'm dragging it to fit my video to be able to suit the video I film. So those are the things you're going to consider. You're going to consider the video. You're going to consider the effects you want to add to the video. So you can edit this on Canva. As you can see how I am editing, you can play around with Canva. You can play around with Canva. You can play around with the filter, the editing to suit the video you already filmed. So that is what I am doing here. I am just practically playing around with the filter to see how I can get it to suit the video I have already. And that is it for this. So I'm adjusting the brightness and tinting the background and all of that. So now that I'm done doing that, I will just head on to download this background. So I will do it to the rest also. The next thing is my CapCut. So I'm going to be working on the CapCut app. I'll click on the new project and it will bring me to my gallery, and I will click on the video I want to work with to import this video. So now I've gotten my video imported. So I'm going to be working with this video. The next I'm going to be doing is actually to remove the background from this video. That is the first step I'm going to do. So I'm done removing the background for this video. So I will go to my background. There's an icon down there that shows background. So by the time I get the icon, I'm just going to add a background. There are different backgrounds on that. There are different backgrounds already on the CapCut app. So you can also add your own background that you want to work with. So I'm just going to add my background basically. So I'm going to pick the background I want to work with and add it to the video. So this is what I have. You can see this is what I actually have. You can see how it came out. You can do this also, and this was my previous background for the video. So that is what I have. So I am basically going to the next method I have for you. This is like the first method. I just want to walk you through this method. So I have a second method for you on how to remove this background on CapCut. On the next method, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the backgrounds I want to work with and add them to my new project. That's the backgrounds I'm going to work with. I'm going to size it to the aspect ratio I want to work with. So I am actually using the YouTube aspect ratio. So I'm just going to size the background, then drag it down to the minute of the video. So I will just drag the backgrounds down. So by the time I'm done dragging, the next I'm gonna do is to head onto the overlaying, then overlay the video I want to work with. After overlaying, I will size the video to the background to fit in the background, then go to remove background and click on remove. As I'm applying the remove background, you can see it's counting and the background is removed already, and that is it for this video. The next I'm gonna do is to remove background from this particular video, and that is it. So that is it for the removing of the background.
Oh, we have come to the end of this video, and thank you for tuning in to the end of today's video. Please do well to hit the subscribe button and share this video to friends, family that you think will benefit from this content. And please do not forget to share your or do not forget to drop your comment on the comment section. Tell me how you feel about this video. Do you want any improvements? Please let's discuss in the comment section. And in my next video, I am going to bring to you an interesting topic. Please stay tuned and do not forget to hit the subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, oh my god, thank you. Thank you for staying with me. You are super excited to have you back again. And see you next time. Bye bye.